Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to uninstall a Windows update on your Windows 11 PC or in your Windows 11 laptops. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and very simple method. So first you need to open your Windows settings. You can use the shortcut key to open the settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. Okay, after opening the settings, in the left panel you can get the option Windows Update. Just click and open it, and here guys you can get the option update history. Just click and open it. Scroll down, here you can get the option uninstall updates. Just click on it. Okay, after this guys, here you can get your recent update which you have updated on your Windows 11. As you can see, if you want to uninstall anyone, so just right click on that update, and here you can get the option uninstall. If you want to uninstall update, just click on uninstall option. That's it. So from here guys, you can easily able to uninstall the updates of your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.